Welcome to a Minute of Wellness Wisdom. Today we delve into the world of Ayurveda, the ancient Indian science of life and health. Ever been plagued by a stubborn dry cough? Ayurveda has a simple remedy using common kitchen spices. The stars of our show are turmeric and black pepper. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and black pepper, a natural expectorant, form a potent duo against that pesky cough. Here's the magic formula. Mix a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir this into a tablespoon of honey, and there you have it. A natural Ayurvedic remedy right from your kitchen. Remember to take this mixture twice a day, and soon you'll be saying goodbye to that dry cough. Join us again for another nugget of Ayurvedic wisdom. Stay healthy, stay wise.